Hello coders, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll tell about enums in C. So enums are just any other custom data type. It's also called a user-defined data type. So it is like any other data types like structure and unions. We can use enums as well. Okay. So it is defined using a keyword enum. Then we have the name of the enum, that is direction, then curly braces, then we have semicolon, and inside we'll have the data. For example, let's take the direction. Okay, I'll take north direction, comma. Then we have south direction. Then we have east direction. Then we have west direction. Okay, so in this I define these variables. Okay, so I need one object of this data type, so I will take direction as capital as an object, save it. So I have direction is equal to, I will take some value like west. Okay, so I'll print the object value. Okay, so I'll print the value of direction is equal to percentage t. Okay, so here I'll take direction because it's an object only. Let's save it. Direction only, and I save it. Okay, so let's see what is the result. So I'll compile this, I'll run it. So the value is 3. So similarly, I'll take here east and save it, and the value will be 2. Okay, and if I take the first one, north, and save it, and then I run it, so value is 0. Okay, so these variables have the value starting from 0, so it will give the value like this. The first one by default, it will be 0, then second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and go on. So how many variables I have in this enum, so it will be the value that start in the sequence. Okay, so enums, we can also do type def over it. So if you do type def to make an alliance of this, so you see here is an error. Okay, so why there is an error? Because this become the allies now. Now I have to create a object out of this allies, and if I do like this, and I have to change as well here. So if I save it and run it, the result would be 0 only because it's north. That is the first one. Okay, so these enums are just the variables. Okay, so if I take the size of this enum, so it would be printf size of enum is equal to percentage t. Then we have size of that. When I run it again, so you see here the value is 4 only. So this way we can use this enum. We can also initiate this value. For example, if I want to change it so that it can start from 3. Okay, so if I run it again, the value is 3. Okay, north is 3. And if I change it to west, then what will be the value? It will be 3, 4, 5, 6. So value is 6. Okay. So this way we can initialize these variables. Also, if I want to change the values, like we have 6 here. Okay. So I want to check what is the value of this. Okay. So I'll take it. Okay, I'll take it here. So here, if you define 6, so next value, if you are not defining it, the values will be the increment of the values that is initialized before it. Okay, so this 6, 7, 8. Okay, so again, I'll take and it would be 8 only. Okay, so these enums are basically used in case of the error descriptions. Okay, so we are using some error codes in our program, so there we can use the enum very widely. So mostly we can use macros as well, but that is not type specific. Okay, so there is a problem in debugging in case of a macro, but in enums it's not the case. We will have some memory associated with this enum, so we can debug it easily. And also we'll get the compilation error if something went wrong in this enum during the compilation only, but it's not the case with the that macros. So this can also be used uh, as a flag management. So we have multiple flags, so we can list it in this enum and use it, because we don't want to use the values 1, 2, 3. Okay, we cannot use this hard-coded value. In spite, to make it more readable, we can use these enum values in place of that things. Okay, so this is the basics of enum. Let's see in the next video. Okay, thanks.